everybody in this group. Today is Friday. Today's Friday, the August 25th, 2023, and this is going to be a small breakdown regarding gold and my bias on gold and what I'm looking for this morning. So let's get right to it, all right? So as we know, we're going to go scroll out on our charts and we're going to be on the daily time frame. We always start off with finding the support and resistance areas, okay? So that's what I'm doing right now. I always start off with a fresh chart. I don't like use or like other traders that have the same chart with old notes and signs and nothing. My charts are totally fresh every day, brand new. So what we're looking for is daily support and resistance levels, all right? Supply and demand levels, whatever you want to call it, all right? And I like to keep it simple. I don't like to clutter it a lot. I always start with the daily to see the overall trend. Alright, so we're on an overall uptrend as of the daily. Alright, so once we got that done, we're gonna go down to the 4-hour. We're gonna do the same thing, but this time we're gonna use orange as the color. Alright, we're gonna look for support and resistance levels. This color, we're gonna turn it to orange. Pretty simple, guys. Nothing out of the ordinary. We're just looking for support and resistance levels. Alright, and we spread them out. Remember, guys, this is how I trade. So if you want to learn how I trade, then this is how I trade. Because people like, oh no, you're supposed to do this, and this is how I trade. I always like to keep that, there. Alright, let me put it right around here. Over here. Let me see. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I like to do it as perfect as possible. Alright, so we did the 4-hour. We're going to go down to 1 hour. Now, when we're in 1 hour, we're going to right click, reset so it could automatically zoom in. And we're not going to use lines right now. We're going to use boxes. Run on boxes. So if you've seen my videos before, you know that when I activate the box, it runs on to the right. So I'm looking at price action, but I'm always like forming these boxes to the left so I could get like a wide range of what I'm looking at. All right, and we're gonna form the boxes on top of the bodies, okay, like I'm doing right there. So I'm looking at price action. I'm gonna form a box right down around here. Yeah, so I'm gonna do it, drop from all the way over here, okay, and so forth and so forth. I'm gonna do one down here just in case for visual aspect. I just woke up, guys, so if I look fucked up, then it is what it is. Alright, and let me do one up here for... Alright, let me just do one right up here. Alright, so these are some key levels that I'm looking at for gold right now. It's 8:58 in the morning. Alright, so let's see what we're looking at. Okay, so look at this. Look at this price action, guys. It's going down. Look at that. It looks actually kind of like perfect, right? Damn. I also like using trend lines when it's when it's when I feel like it. Wow, look at that. When you go up to the 4-hour. So Pips, what do you think? Is it going to go up or down? Alright, so going back to the daily, right? After I did all that. Alright, so you look at the higher highs and higher lows, right? So we went all the way up, we went down. This is daily, guys, okay? We're still on an uptrend. We're still on an uptrend, high, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low. lower high, lower high. This actually broke this structure right here. Actually, no, it's still kind of like playing. So let's see here. Kind of like an bounce back off this clean support level. It's going up. Could go up, guys. Because when you see here, you know, we broke the structure. So it was going down. We broke right here, going up. And we're kind of like consolidating. And it could go up. Let me see here. Let me zoom in. 1 hour like I did before. Alright, so if price breaks 1921, it could go all the way up to 1930. So I'm gonna just draw these little lines up here. These are my predictions. Today's Friday, guys, so don't overtrade, don't over leverage, don't risk your profits, okay? Remember, I'm just aiming for 20-30 pips. That's all you need, guys. And if it breaks down here, could retest right here. So go on down. Alright. Look at that. Simple as that, guys. That's why it's important for you to, you know, chart up your charts. Look at your key zones, your key levels. So doing it by the way I'm doing it right now, it keeps it simple. No clutter. I don't like to do none of that. This is some simple charting. And yeah, I see here that, you know, gold was on a downtrend. As you can see here, clear as day. And then it broke structure right around here. So it went all the way up and it ate all these highs, okay? So now we're ranging. We're ranging right now. Okay. And it looks like we're still going up. Alright, so if price breaks 1922, it should go all the way up to 1930, okay? And if price breaks 1913, 1914, it should retest around there to eat up this whole traffic to the left hand side. So I'm gonna put 2 alerts, okay? I'm gonna put an alert up here, and this is gonna be called crossing up, gold buys. Okay, and I'm gonna put another alert down here, right, on my phone, so I could be aware, crossing down, and then we're gonna put sell gold. So that way I could, you know, notice what's going on. So it's ranging right now, and if price breaks either going up or going down, this is my bias, okay? I think it's gonna go up, but I think the more clear trade is gonna be sells if it does, because look at this range, look at this candlestick, it has to correct that, right? A whole correction, that'll be around 75 pips. This is, remember, this is the hourly. Let's go down to the 15-minute so you can see it more clearly. All right. And if gold breaks up, let's see here. If gold breaks up, we're looking at around 50 pips around there. So either way, we're gonna pay attention to this. All right. And if you're trying to scalp it, we could do a little box here. So if price breaks short term, we're looking at sales. If it breaks 1915.75, we're looking at an easy 20 to 25 pips if you want to do it micro. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. I do appreciate everybody watching this breakdown for gold. It's 9:04 in the morning, almost New York Open right there. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. If you like these type of breakdowns, please join my VIP signals so you could get this more on a daily basis. So I'll catch you up in the next one. Peace. Take care.